Types of serve: underhand, overhand, float or jump, topspin serve. Underhand serve. An underhand serve is a type of serve in which the player holds the ball in one hand, swing the other in an arc motion below the waist, and strike the ball from the bottom with a face to put it in play. Overhand serve. An overhand serve in volleyball is a serve in which the player tosses the ball with one hand and strikes it in the air above their head with the other hand. Topspin serve. A topspin serve does exactly what its name implies. It spins rapidly forward from the top. The server tosses the ball a little higher than normal. He strikes the ball toward the top of the back in a downward and outward motion and then follows through with their swing. Float or jump serve. The volleyball jump serve is a type of volleyball serve where the player increases the power and height of their serve by jumping into the hit. Francisco Cerri-Bas, international #1 all-around volleyball player, was known to have invented the jump serve and more specifically the jump float.